Welcome to my latest video. Today I am outside the Amco Arena, which is part of the Municipal Stadium of Braga in Portugal. And if you spin round here, this is the stadium. There is also a bar here in the car park at the entrance of the stadium, which probably doubles up as a fan zone. And this is the concourse in front of the conference centre. And this is the entrance to the Amco Arena at Braga Football Club. Today inside the 1250 seat indoor sports hall, there is a judo tournament. It is also home to Braga's basketball team and volleyball team.